Hello YouTube, this is the Atlanta Puzzler with part 4 on how to create your own 3D printed puzzle extensions. So we generated the shells for a Fisher cube in the last part, in part 3. We talked about the minimum thickness and how far you want to go, and everything is fully parametric. So you can come in here and you can vary those variables however you like and see what results you come up with. And one of the items we also talked about, I didn't actually show you guys. If I reduce this too much, for example, if I make it 10, see what happens. You'll see some gaps coming out. See? Let me hide the inner cube. You'll see, and oh, sorry. Some of my parts are transparent. Let me make everything opaque. There we go. And do OK. There, you see? Now you have slits coming through the cube. So, oh, no, let's bump it back up to, what was it, 15? And do OK. Alright, so let's clean this tab up really quick and we'll talk about other other designs in a minute. So let me make this black in color like a real cube, if you like black cubes. Come on. She's so slow. And yeah, let's fillet it really quick. I'll just do 1 millimeter because the calculations are gonna take longer if I increase it too much. Okay, so let's do this face. Okay, let's do these sides now. Sorry, I'm making you watch me fillet the cube, but I'd much rather do it than leave it unfilleted. Okay. And one more face. And do OK. Let's see what we got. There you go. Okay, I think this looks so much better. I think we missed a piece. At least one piece. Come on. Okay, so okay, we have a filleted nice cube. Oh, here's one more piece. It was missed. Sorry, let's do this. And I think that was the last of them. You can obviously increase the fillet and do whatever you want. Okay. Just as a nice touch, because I already showed you this in my Thingiverse, in case somebody's gonna ask. Here's what I'll do. Depending on how you like to sticker your cube, what colors to use and whatnot. Typically with these kind of puzzles, I like to use the alternate color scheme. It's just what I had when I was a kid, and that's to this day that's what I'm used to. But you can do whatever you want; it don't matter. So there's an offset surface operator here. Click it and just click on every surface and do OK. and you'll see two things. First, this is 5 millimeters, so the surfaces we offsetted are hovering above the face. See, it's pretty far away. And if you, yep, there we go. See how they're, so let's make it zero 0.5 or zero 0.2 or whatever. Okay, here we go. So now we have these guys, and if you scroll at the bottom, we have 9 stickers, right? Um, I'm gonna choose these guys and do edit props, and let's choose, yeah, I like this blue. There's something wrong with this face. I can't. Oh, okay. Another piece missed on the fillet. Here we go. Yeah. I'm not sure what's wrong with this face. Oh, I think it's fine. It's just how it looks, maybe. Okay, so. Oh, it's the lighting. Okay, I am sure you can do the rest. I'm gonna open offset surface, and I'll do the other face here. Okay, so 9 more stickers. And I think I wanna choose just the ones from this face, like this. Let's edit appearance. And let's make this just solid white. Okay, and I'm sure you know what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna select all these, and I'm gonna sticker them as well. Okay, here we go, and now I'll choose offset surface and do OK. And don't forget to make this very small, like 0.2. And still thinking. So you don't have to do any of this. I just wanted to show you guys how I quote unquote sticker them, not in real life, but well, you can, by the way, you can generate a DXF or whatever file from here and use that. It, you can, like, as a sketch, as a template for your stickers. Yeah, so for red, let's make it what, 40. Okay, that's an okay shade. All right, and for these, I'm gonna make them green. Yeah, I think that's fine. Now these will be orange. Edit appearance. So maybe 255, 30 maybe. Um, let's make it 190. Maybe that's okay, yep. I prefer brighter orange, to be honest, but that's fine. I'm not gonna worry about it. And this has got to be yellow. Man, that's very bright. 230. Make them equal is fine. And I'll reduce this. Okay, there we go. That's how I made the cube. And obviously, um, for other puzzles, I'm gonna duplicate this guy. I don't know, like let's call this slice cube. And hopefully, if I change this to 45, other than that fillet last time, hopefully everything should be copacetic. So we'll see. And we had a problem. So let me do um, one thing real quick. So you'll notice one of the dimensions, the inner cube stuck out because this is not thick enough. So if I bump this up to say 19, I think it should be 20.05. Yeah, I think the minimum is 20.05 in a slice cube. See, even if I do 20, well, if I do 21, it'll be very thin. So if I do, this is the DXF I was telling you about for the stickers. So let's do hide this surface. That's just the sticker, and let's hide other parts. Jeez. Um, Let me just hide the stickers real quick. Come on. Really? Okay. Sorry, it's really frustrating because everything has a lot of delays. Yep. Okay. Hide other, and it's not hiding. Okay. I'm having a hard time selecting anything because the delays and okay. So here's one. I'll shift and okay and do hide. Let me show some parts then. Okay, so this is the culprit. Hide other parts. So the distance between this deepest point and the outer surface in this case is 0.85 millimeters. This is not going to work. That's way too thin. 0.85, so I would make this let's make it 23 maybe. So the reason why it's 20 and a half, because what I was explaining earlier, if you use geometry, the diagonal of the inner square should be equal to the edge square of the outer cube, and and I divided that by 2, and that's how I got that value. I mean, I didn't do that now. I did it in my head before I did it with a calculator before I started the video. Okay, so now it's 2.85. Okay, so here we go. That's a slice cube. I'm gonna delete the center cube. We don't need it. I'm gonna show all parts. I think we have an issue with the fillet, but what you can do is you can maybe make it 0.2 or something and let it recalc. And if you think this looks like a ghost cube, because it kind of is, it's basically it's the cuts varied over multiple axes. Okay. All right, so let's see if we still have the stickers. So I'm gonna click here and show them. I lost some of them, but that's fine. I'm sure you can create them. What I was saying earlier, um, you'll have to fix them. Sorry. You can click on a face if it responds. Yeah, it's just overwhelmed for some reason. Just like choose all the stickers in a face and I don't know why. Do export as DXF and or DWG, and this is the format that you can then import and design an outline of your stickers. Well, you can design them here. You can trim the stickers and fillet the edges and whatnot. Um, like for example, I'll talk about that in more details in another video, but figured I'll show you. So I don't know. You can sketch on this one and do use and do OK. And now I can let me hide all the parts. And this is basically this sketch here, right? And when you edit it, here it is, and you can do things like fillet by it didn't even, it's not even obvious because it's one. Okay, let's make it. Make this for, yeah, like something like this. But obviously, instead of doing it for just one sticker, you'll do it for the entire series. Okay, don't worry. I mean, I just wanted to mention this because there was a question about it. Like somebody commented that it's really nice, but making the stickers is hard. And I wanted to clarify that, you'll do it this way. Now, granted, you'll have to cut them afterwards, which is tedious, but one thing I do is I kind of 3D print the inverse or the negative of the stickers. I make a stencil, and which is not perfect, but I can use it as an outline. And I admit my 3D printed puzzles do not look like they were mass produced because of the sticker. But you can also send them to someone to print them for you, professionally print them for you, if you like. But I wanted to mention stickers because somebody asked me about them, and I just wanted to bring it up. Anyways, thank you guys. I hope you like this series. Hopefully, I didn't. It wasn't too confusing, but I was thinking next week we'll go back to talk about star minks and to continue with the advanced. We talked about the advanced cuts. Maybe we'll talk about the mechanism, and we'll talk about how to actually design a star minx or to make a paraminx crystal or something like this. Um, so let me know if you have any questions or any comments, and if you have any requests or whatever, and I'll be happy to look into making a video about it. So thank you very much, and have a good weekend. Bye bye.